Now I'll show you how to make this great pipe cleaner spider. For this project you'll need 2 black pipe cleaners, a pair of scissors, and maybe some thread if you want to hang them. The first thing you'll do is take your 1 pipe cleaner and fold it into 3 sections, 3 even sections, and cut at your fold. Okay, now take that one section and cut from your second pipe cleaner an equal amount. So you have 4 legs, and then for the head you're going to make a little circle, wrap it around your finger so it goes around twice like this, and then twist the end together there. Okay, that's your head. And then take a pencil and wrap the rest of that around the pencil like that. And then just bend it up. This is your body, and you can stick the end sort of inside the middle. So you end up with a little ball for the body. Now we'll take our first leg and you lay it so that it's a little bit smaller here than here, because we want to wrap it around once. And now the legs are even. So do that again, a little bit longer on one side, and then you wrap around with that side. And we're going to put the 4 legs, because a spider has 8 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.